Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 47. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how force applications all command will shut down the database. This slide talks about the problem and the solution. The problem scenario is when we use force applications all command, it does not mean force applications only. Okay, so what happens is like when we use the command, we think that okay, it is going to kill all the applications which are connected to the database, but it will actually shut down the database if the database was not explicitly activated. So when you issue the force applications all, make sure that the database was explicitly activated, because then only it will force the applications only and it will not shut down the database. So always it's a good practice to activate database explicitly. There are also other advantages associated with explicit activation, like the database initialization on the first connect. That will be actually somewhat faster if you explicitly activate the database. So otherwise the implicit connection, right? So it's going to take a lot of time. So the first connection, the first user will feel the slowness, right? So it's always a good practice to activate the database explicitly. So let's look at few scenarios, like examples as usual. So here actually I am in terminal 1 and I am connecting to a test database. The instance is already started. So this is like an implicit connection, right? So I am not explicitly activating the database. And in terminal 2 also I am doing the same thing. Okay, so this is like in terminal 2 connect to database. Okay, sorry. Okay, so su-db2 db2 okay, so both the connections are available now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say list active databases, list applications. Okay, in terminal 1. Okay, this is terminal 1. So you can see that the database is active and there are 2 applications connected to it. Okay, now I'm going to say force applications all, and then again list applications and list active databases. So you can see that the force application all has completed. List applications, see all the applications are killed. List active databases, the database is also gone, right? So even though the intention was to kill the applications, the database is also not there, right? That is because of the implicit activation. So I terminate, I activate the database and I connect to test. Okay, so this time we have done explicit activation. See here, activate DB test, then I say connect to database. Okay, so now I go to terminal 2, I terminate the background process, connect to test, list applications, list active databases. Okay, so this in terminal 2 I'm going to do this. Okay, so you can see 2 applications are there and active database is also there. Now I'm going to say again force applications all. Okay, in terminal 2. So you can see that list applications, see it has killed all the applications because the force applications all command, but the list active databases still returns me the database, right? So it is like active, so the database is not shut down because it was explicitly activated. So I have to say db2 deactivate db name, so which I cannot do because the current connection is alive. So I say sorry, db2 terminate. Okay, I have to kill the background process, then I say deactivate. Okay, yeah, so that's these things. Okay, so always explicit activation is recommended, and implicit activation, when it is there, be exercise caution when you use the force applications all command, because then it will bring down the entire database. So that's the learning. Hope this information was useful to you. See you in the next video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel DB2 LUW Academy. Thanks. Bye bye.